India has not taken lightly to Canada's interference in the farmer agitation in the national capital. The message has been sent out loud and clear, and Canada has taken note. Days after Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau said the protests by farmers were concerning and Canadians were worried about their friends and family in India, the country has toned down its rhetoric. The reason? Trade worth billions being affected. Sources say Canada has decided to now lay low over its stance on the agitation after India's message that relations and trade would suffer if Canada interferes with its internal matters. Canada has taken a step back. Trade has already suffered under Prime Minister Trudeau from $7.23 billion in 2017-18. The bilateral trade between the two countries dipped to $6.3 billion in 2018-19, a decline of around $1 billion from 2017-18 to 2018-19 would have sent across a message to Canada. Ties between India and Canada were affected during Prime Minister Justin Trudeau's maiden visit to India in 2018. The visit turned out to be a flop show, and he faced widespread criticism when a Khalistani separatist was seen attending an event of the Canadian Prime Minister in Mumbai. The Canadian Prime Minister was given a gold shoulder by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, meeting him only in the end of his tour to India. What's more, Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau's statement on farmers also exposed Canada's doublespeak. Though Canada supported the farmers for demanding MSP here, it has criticized India for its farm reforms in the World Trade Organization. Canada knows that a lot is riding on its relations with India. Investors in Canada see India as an investment hub. More than 1,000 companies are actively pursuing business in the Indian market. Canada also exports pulses, newsprint, wood pulp, asbestos, potash and scrap, copper, minerals and industrial chemicals to India. The controversy started last week when Prime Minister Trudeau had extended his support to the agitating farmers. India had retorted that this is India's internal matter and the Canadian Prime Minister is ill-informed about what's happening. India had also indicated that Indo-Canadian relations would suffer if Canada continues to interfere. In fact, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar had also announced that he would skip the coordination meeting on COVID-19 hosted by Canada.